Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So I am off for a long drive. Coffee pour la route. Pour la route. So I have a cup of coffee for my long drive. Latte macchiato. Coffee. Here is the espresso. Now, oh, my timing is a little bit off. It should be exactly the same moment, but I'm a little bit nervous. Look at this bottle. And okay, I will tell you about. Oh, look at it. Uh-oh, I'm not so good at it. Look at it. I like the moment. Why? That's my coffee. Like a why? Look at it. Ah, that's so good. So very good. The machine takes a long time to cool down, so a little bit noisy. Please excuse me for that. Life is noisy. We have no way to deal with it. It takes time. And this one, I want to show you this bottle. Look at this bottle. Isn't it pretty? This bottle I bought in Italy. Italy, not Italy. Italy. It's a chain, kind of gourmet food, grocery. And this is a balsamic vinegar, white balsamic vinegar bottle. And yesterday, my husband washed it. The sticker was not very easy to peel off, and he washed it completely. It will be a beautiful flower bottle, flower vase. Don't you think so? I always collect all these bottles. I actually do not have use for them, but still, it's just so pretty. Oh, let me enjoy my coffee, and it's so good. You have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Let's take a look outside. Beautiful sunshine. Winter is coming, and it's this time of the year. This time of the year. The leaves, the foliage is turning color. I will have a long drive, and I am sure on my way I will pass by some beautiful foliage fall leaves and some wintry scene or autumn scene. Ah, this makes me so happy. First, let me take a selfie. First, let's take a look at our backyard. Oh yeah, I want to show you. I made some pâte de fruits. This is the pâte de fruits. It's a but it's kind of a paste, paste or pasta like, and this is a quince, guan, les fruits de guan, but they have very good guans. So I made pâte de guan, and then I will put some sugar, let it cool down a little bit. This will be in my Etsy shop, and this one is blackberry fruit paste. I put sugar for too long, so I can just dip in sugar, coat it one time, and that's good. And it is equally fine, but does not look that good. And this one, I will make it so much better. Okay. Enjoy beautiful fruit. Enjoy a cup of coffee. A reason for gratefulness, right? Look at it. It's so good. Now we take a look at the backyard. Autumn sky. Pure blue. And this is so very beautiful. Our little jade tomato. And they are so sweet, like candy. No kidding, they are like candy. Oh, fuchsia flower. Long time no see. Look at you. And passion fruit, of course. And bougainvillea. Look at them. Look at them. How beautiful. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Goo, goo, bye, bye.